Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see chapter 12, that is surfing on internet. So yes, let us start. First of all, what is surfing? Surfing means to do search, right, on the web browser and find it out the solutions of many of the information also we find it out. हम लोग बहुत सारी information भी लेते हैं by the searching. So that is called surfing on internet while you are moving from one website to another. Okay, so that is a part. Now, first of all, what is internet? Internet means a network of networks. Why we are saying network of networks? Because in that many of the networks are being joined to one network that is called internet. If you are not knowing about it, in brief, you can go to my channel and you can know about it by about the networks. Now, World Wide Web, WWW. Everyone know the short form of it. तो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब यानी क्या? तो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, you can understand world in which the whole world is being covered wide in the wide area, and web like a spider web, we are also having a web in which everything is being covered. So here it consists of websites, and websites are consisting of many pages, bunch of pages, बहुत सारे pages होते हैं जिसका हम लोग बोलते हैं web pages, और जो collection of web pages होता है उसे बोलते हैं हम website. We know it as a website. It was developed in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee ने ये start किया था 1991 में, and yes, it was given the name World Wide Web, and afterwards advanced level you know about it कि W3C World Wide Web Consortium, right? Now the full form HTTP. HTTP का full form क्या है? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is the use of it? जब आप www आप वेबसाइट्स में देखते हो तो इसके आगे आपको हमेशा दिखेगा HTTP. It is written there HTTP in the websites. You can search it any of the word or maybe any information at that time you will see in the website. तो HTTP क्या करता है? It is used to transfer the documents. Documents को transfer करना है internet के through, then you will use it HTTP. Now www. It is a true example of client server technology. Why client server technology? So client means we all the users. Server means which provide the user the on their request the information. आप अगर रिक्वेस्ट करोगे कि हाँ मुझे इसके बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो वो कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? वो प्रोवाइड करता है सर्वर. ओके. Now, web pages are written in the simple markup language that is called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. And we already learned in chapter 10 and 11 कि हम कैसे web pages बना सकते हैं. Now, multimedia, multi means multiple, media means by which we are getting connected, right? So yes, multimedia. In that you can take the real time communication, or maybe you can also say कि हम लोग pre-recorded videos वहाँ भेजते हैं, audios भेजते हैं, we listen to that. Okay, even we have the live communication with people, so broadcast भी होता है उसका. Take the example of YouTube. Okay, so that is a part of multimedia. Now in that plugins यानी क्या? A small piece of software that adds a feature to a program or makes a program work better. यानी अगर आपको प्रोग्राम को अच्छे से चलाना है then yes here it works the plugin. Okay, तो वो फीचर बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है, right? Windows Media Player, Real Player, and QuickTime plugins play streaming audio and video files. So this all are the examples everyone know. Windows Media Player, तो उसमें हम videos को देखते हैं, right? उसकी clippings को सुनते हैं. We listen to speech of people, right? By the Windows Media Player, Real Player. Many are there. Many examples are over there, right? And even you have the real-time events over there. Shockwave and Flash are the plugins that offer the creation and implementation of entire combining graphics, animations, and sound. You can take over here one more example over here like presentation. PowerPoint presentation भी एक multimedia का part है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें भी हम लोग animation करते हैं. We insert the pictures, we insert the videos, we insert the sounds, and we also give the animation over there. तो शॉकवेव और फ्लैश में आजकल देखते हैं स्टोरीज हमें दिखती है, तो स्टोरीज हमें कैसे अच्छी लगती है, हम एनिमेटेड देखना अच्छा लगता है हमें, रियल वाला ज्यादातर नहीं पसंद करते, कितने लोग दे आर अट्रैक्टेड ओवर दैट। एंड मैनी कंपनीज नाउ जो करते हैं ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, तो उसमें वो लोग एनिमेशन का यूज ज्यादा करते हैं। Live cams are another aspect of multimedia available on the web. तो live cams भी है, that is on camera, you're working, right? मल्टीमीडिया का ये भी एक जरिया है जिसमें वीडियो कैमरा से हम लोग सेंड करते हैं वीडियोस and everyone can see it, right? Real-time communication. Real-time communication means what? Online, right? During COVID, everyone know that we have having the video conference with many of the people, many of our relative. फिर हम लोग कितने लोगों के से बात करते हैं, टेक्स्ट मैसेज करते हैं, तो वो सारा क्या है? रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन, राइट? वी कैन ऑल्सो डू चैटिंग विथ मैनी ऑफ द पीपल। ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक पर्सन के साथ, हम बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ एक साथ बात कर सकते हैं और मैसेज भी पहुंचा सकते हैं। सो चैट, ऑडियो, ऑडियो मैसेज भी हम लोग पहुंचाते हैं, राइट? और टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन भी हम लोग करते हैं, बातें भी करते हैं। पहले ऐसा था कि हाँ, हम लोगों को वीडियो ऑडियो के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम आता था कि हम लोग टेलीफोन नहीं होते थे हमारे पास, सो वी हैव टू गेट कनेक्टेड बाय मे बी चैट, राइट? So now we are having the option over your mobile phones, तो हम लोग मोबाइल फोन पे बातें कर लेते हैं। वीडियो, so video conference, you have seen that many of the conferences now are being held by the videos. Why? Because we cannot come together over there, right? हम लोग एक दूसरे को मिल नहीं सकते, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कोविड के टाइम हम लोग नहीं मिले, तो हमने क्या किया? We all have done online classes. Online classes, in that we have taken different mediums over there to connect with the students. File transfer. So you can transfer the files also, and you can keep the backup of it, and you can send it to many of the people, many of the participants. डॉक्यूमेंट एंड एप्लीकेशन शेयरिंग, वो भी आप कर सकते हो, अगर आपके पास नेटवर्किंग है तो आप शेयरिंग भी कर सकते हो एप्लीकेशंस का। Now Skype. Skype is what? It is one sort of popular application which is used for voice over internet protocol service. Voice over internet protocol means here again it comes the real time example of real time communication, जिसमें आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस भी कर सकते हो, you can have an audio chat message, okay? There are two versions of it. Two versions यानी क्या इधर कि विंडोज बेस्ड एंड मैक ओएस बेस्ड। ओएस दो तरीके के हैं, विंडोज एंड मैक। आजकल तो एंड्रॉयड भी है हमारे पास, सो एंड्रॉयड ऑल्सो, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन काउंट इट। Next we will see over there blog. Blog यानी क्या? Blog is an easy to create website that allows user to share their thoughts with the world. आपको आपकी फीलिंग शेयर करनी है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पोएम, या फिर आपको कोई आर्टिकल लिखना है, या फिर आपको अपने फोटोज रखने हैं, यू वांट टू पोस्ट योर फोटोज हैं, जैसे हम व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस रखते हैं, यू कैन कीप इट इन द ब्लॉग and you can share many things over there. Professional work भी किया जाता है on the blog. Professional people also keep their blogs, personal blogs over there. आप visit कर सकते हो, famous people they used to keep it the blogs for them, in which people used to comment. वो पोस्ट करते हैं और उसके ऊपर उनको कमेंट्स मिलती है, लाइक्स मिलती है, and many of the people also do the business with the help of blogs. The word blog comes from the web blog. किधर से आ रहा है? That is web blog, because a blog consists of signed and dated log of individual posting, जिसमें हर एक डेट के साथ उसको मीन्स रखा जाता है, so everyone can come to know about that individual posting. A blog is what you make of it, and blogging can be interactive activity. Blog क्या है? जो आप पोस्ट करते हो उसे, and blogging means the interactive activity जो आप करते हो, उनके साथ कमेंट करना, फिर उनसे बात करना with the help of comments. So that is a part of it. And for blog, there are many websites available which give you a free service of blog, right? तो आप अपना खुद का blog बना सकते हो। You can make it of your own. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification about my new videos. And if you like it, please comment also so we get appreciated with that. Thank you.